What's up, guys? Today we're gonna eat at LaBarca. So we're sitting down now. So we're gonna show you guys my appetizer. It is. It's good. Our food's here. I'm almost done. Part of our food. Oh my gosh. Get yourself something to eat right now, dude. I'm sorry, man. Look how this is a big wet burrito. That's so good. Dude, look how that rice, man. So many stuff. This sauce is amazing. Oh, that's a lot of food. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.